Today we are going to tackle the clutter, the paper clutter. Hi guys! So today's video, I decided I wanted to do a bit of another KonMari decluttering kind of thing. This time though, I want to take care of my papers, and I've got a lot of papers, and I will turn you around and show you. This is the current state of things. There's just a lot going on here. I don't know what it all is. I've even got a big bag full down here. I've got my backpack, which doesn't really have anything in it right now, I don't think. We'll check on that. And then I've got more and more. I have literally an entire corner full. And then I've got more clutter, magazines stacked, more clutter, more clutter. I've got a few boxes, storage boxes that I actually have not put into use. This bottom drawer, it does have things like extra light bulbs, vacuum attachment. It's got a few different things in here that, things that I can put on the wall that are handy, but I don't know, exactly what to do with. So it's just kind of like a utility drawer here. And then I've got a couple organizers here that I just plan on sorting out, getting rid of old things, and then putting new things in there. And hopefully I can get through that mess. It's really bad. I'm a little ashamed of how many things have piled up. I hate paper. I hate paper. And as a student, I have a lot of papers, and I get mail, and I've let the paper pile up, and I tend to avoid paper. And so instead of taking care of it, I throw things away frequently, but I don't know, I let it build up, and I hate it. I hate it. Today we are going to tackle the clutter, the paper clutter. So I have even more in my bedroom. I've got books. I'm thinking about going through the books too, and just kind of going through and asking, does this spark joy, or does this have function in my life, whether as a student or as, tax purposes, whatever. So I'm pretty much just going to kind of set you down somewhere, and I'm not going to talk through every single piece of paper because that would be a little probably boring, because I don't know that I would watch that. So I will just kind of set you down, and we will do like a declutter with me, and you can just kind of watch me. I'm going to turn on the office. Computer's back there, and I'm going to turn on the office and just kind of listen to that, watch it while I do a bit of decluttering. So hope you guys enjoy, and I will talk to you later. Paper is exhausting. I will turn you around and show you what I have done. So I have all of these things sprawled out in front of me in different stacks. They are organized. I've got literally a bag full of paper there that I'm gonna shred later, and then this is empty entirely, yay! I will say that going through papers sparks a lot of different feelings. One of them being like old jobs, going through papers and just reading things. It's interesting how papers spark so many feelings, so many emotions. And some of them are just like bills and they're like, okay, whatever. But then others are just like, oh, that was a different time in my life. And it's interesting. It's interesting what paper does. So I'm going to continue to work, but I thought I'd take a break and comment on a few things. I went through this, a lot of sentimental things in it, a lot of letters and very, very sentimental things. So I'm actually not, I can't. I'm gonna set it aside and pretend like I didn't see anything. I'm not ready to get rid of anything there. So one thing about digging up old things is finding that I had an entire bag full of unused pencils, and they aren't even sharpened for the first time. Cute little bag. Guys, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Like, I don't know that I'm really gonna use real pencils because I use mechanical pencils now. So I might just give this whole thing away somehow and hope someone will get some better use out of this. Also, I found these two things. Lizzie's budget book. And I just had all kinds of things in here. All of my budgeting. And then I have another book full of budgeting. Full. But I don't do things like this anymore, but I admired my young self, and I probably should pick up and do stuff like this again, but I don't. So, it went in the trash. Poor thing. Let's see. I probably could use this. I'm gonna keep it in case I one day write a paper again, which I know I will, but you know, in case I actually decide to refer to this. Do with old candles. This one is old and doesn't burn. I really should throw it away. This one is a Pink Sands. This came from Yankee Candle and I liked it a lot, but let me see if I can pop this up. If I can pop that out and put a new thing in, I might keep it, but it's not, I was gonna say it's not my style anymore, but I mean, what am I wearing? I don't know. I just don't know. And then this one has a scent to it, but it's kind of an odd scent. I don't know that I love it. I think I've burned it a bit before. I don't know if I like it enough to burn the rest of it. So I think I'm gonna try and keep this one and throw these away. This one, an ex-boyfriend gave to me. And this also came from Yankee Candle, and I really love it. It smells good and it crackles, and I think I'm gonna use it up. I think of him when I see this or I burn it. I don't want this to go to waste. Guys, I'm done. I'm so done. I'm gonna show you around. I finally finished, and look at the time. It's 1 o'clock in the morning, and I started around, I want to say 6. So I've literally been at this for like 7 hours. I've taken breaks and like watched The Office and YouTube videos in between, but like for the most part I worked on this paper stack, this paper problem for a long time. I'm exhausted. My back hurts. I'm ready for bed. But yeah, I feel accomplished. Let me show you around. Okay, so what I did was I've got all these papers sitting up here because they are chemistry paper and I definitely need that, so it's readily accessible for next semester. And then up here I've got some note cards, some empty or blank note cards, that way I can use them for next semester. I'm excited. I've got all kinds of things here, study guides, and I'm so excited to utilize this box because I've had it empty for a little while and didn't really know that I needed to use it for this kind of stuff, but like it's perfect. Then in this drawer, this is where I put my organized pens and other random things, and this is some pictures. And if you guys want to watch, I will be uploading a video where I organize all of my pens because it is a little out of control, but it looks nice and tidy now. Like I said, I got utilities and stuff in the bottom one. In this corner, I know it doesn't look that great, but it's a whole lot better. I've got my stationery there. I've got my empty backpack there, ready for the fall. I've got all those. That's gonna take a lot of time. That's gonna take me another day full day to go through all my school paper, and I just didn't feel like it, so I stuffed it in there. It's relatively chronological, so and then in here, I'll open this up for you real quick. I've got this was already kind of organized, but I went through and threw away some old papers, and I just have a lot of, like, got tax things, I got my certificates, I've got old jobs that I used to work at, I've got my vehicle, so I just have a lot there. This is all sentimental stuff that I'm not touching because it's sentimental, and this girl isn't ready to cry all evening long. There we go. I think I kind of like that. It's not perfect. It's not great. I don't have a lot of storage here. And then here, it's a whole lot better than it was. I know that it's clearly not clear, but I at least have space now. I can sit down, I can have coffee, I can have lunch and dinner. I can sit here with my planner. I have 2 different planners. I can, you know, doodle if I want to. I've got a birthday card from work that I like. A lot of my friends put their little notes in there, and it's sweet. And then I have my little mailbox where I have, like, things that I want to address and work on in the next few days. And then I've got my Teaks box here. Whoops, I can't do this. Depth perception is, like, not, or I'm looking through the camera. Anyway, so Teaks box with all of my organized pens and scissors and such. And then this is my sentimental box, which I should probably put somewhere. But these are where I put, like, movie tickets and other random things. I ran a race, and just little things like that I like to keep. And this has my coupons. I need to find a spot where I can slide this. Maybe I'll just slide it, like, right there. So that way it's kind of just some coupons that I got for in case I want to go eat out. Here I've got my little books that I'm not currently reading. I took 2 books that I'm going to read and put them near my bed, so hopefully I can get myself to read and not feel so overwhelmed, because I had all of these books beside my bed and it was overwhelming. And then I've got a couple things here, my prayer map, and then my goals journal that I need to use more often. And anyway, so everything is very organized. I know where everything is, I know what everything's for, and I feel so much better. Here's my trash. I literally have, well, technically 1, 2, 3, and then 4 if you count that. So, I mean, I literally have so much going on. But, like I said, I feel better. I'm just happy that it's done because I'm exhausted. So guys, if you enjoyed this content, then please subscribe. If you want to see more, hit the thumbs up. Comment your ideas, video ideas, if you have any for me, down below, and I will see what I can do. And if you enjoy makeup and vlogs and other random things, basically following me around, then, like I said, subscribe, ring the bell, because that just notifies you when I upload a new video. And I'm excited to do more videos before school starts, and I feel so much better. I feel so much better, and my brain is so much clearer now that all this is done, and it's needed to be done for probably 2 years now, like a year and a half. I've avoided papers for so long that's why it took me 7 hours to do my papers, and I'm still not fully done with them, because I have that pile in the corner of all the school papers that I didn't even touch because it's too much. So, yeah, it's just too much. So I hope that you enjoyed, and I will see you guys later in another video. Bye!